Hello YouTube, my name is Theo and this is Theo Tavek channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 things I do not like about my beautiful baby right there. This is a 2015 F36 BMW 435i Gran Coupe. So stay tuned and this video is coming. Roll the clip. So the first thing I dislike about this car is actually the brake squeak noise that it makes anytime I'm braking. So this car is equipped with the BMW M Performance package. It's actually the ZCP package if you ordering this car back in the day when it was brand new. So I have the this package here. And now one thing I don't like about performance brake is that every now and then it makes noises whenever you're braking. So you might think if you don't know the car that you need to change your brakes, but I actually have brand new brakes. I've done my brakes about a month ago, and so these are pretty much brand new brakes and rotors. Now that's something I dislike because whenever I'm driving around, people would think that hey, this guy pretty much need to do his brakes and he's just driving around instead of changing his brakes, and that's not the case. I actually have brand new brakes. On the dash, on the system, it actually tells me I have 50,000 miles left to do before my next brake job. So you can see that it's really a lot of brakes, and I'm intent of doing those miles before I actually upgrade this brake to something better. So that's the first thing I do not like about this specific car. Now the second thing I do not like about this car, this actually is going to be specific to my car because I'm pretty sure there are other BMW that have better quality. So the thing I don't like is the leather quality. So this right here that I'm touching, I think that it feels very cheap. Another person might disagree, but this is my personal point of view, and I think it all the BMW needs to start with the upgraded leather as standard, not this whatever this is. And I personally do not like it, and I don't like it, but it's something that I have to deal with because whenever you have a car, you are the one that sits in the car and this is what you see every day. There's so many things I like outside, but this is what I see every day on the cockpit. The third issue that I have with my car is a very weird AC situation. You see right now I have the car off. Let me close the door, and before I turn off the car I had no AC on. So normally whenever I turn on the the AC will not turn on, but it's not the case. Almost every time after each 5 minutes that I start the car, my AC will be on. Don't ask me why is it the case. I don't know. I've took it to the dealership, they couldn't find a solution. I've checked into Bimaco to see if it was maybe an option. I haven't seen anything yet. So here it is. I'm going to start the car and you will see the AC will be on, as you can see. So I will turn it off right now, and if I turn off the car again and then wait about 5-10 minutes, come back and turn on the car again, the AC will be on even though that I turn it off. This drives me crazy and I don't know how to fix it. I'm still searching, so whenever I see how to fix it I will definitely let you guys know. But this is something that I think this is even the number 1 right there. This is my top weird thing that I don't like about this car. The fourth issue I have with with my car is pretty much I don't have a solid place to put my phone. See, I don't have anywhere to put my phone. So when I'm driving, normally I just place it here on this cup holder, but this is not really where it's supposed to be. Now if I open this, I have some coins there, but even if I didn't have this, the phone can fit there. So this is one of the concern. I'm not sure. I just don't like having bracket onto the air vent, and that's why I don't have any, because I feel like a car should come with these days a car should come with a place where you can just put your phone like that. And I know some people will say, well, put it on the armrest. I think the armrest is just like if I'm trying to hide the phone, that's where I would put it. But if I just want to keep my phone there while I'm driving so I can see if someone is calling and things like that, then somewhere here is really where I want to see the phone. But right now I don't have any, so I just do this. Usually this is what I do when I'm driving. So the final thing I do not like about my car is the fact that it is missing the heads-up display. Now, I've never had a heads-up display on my car, but it is something that I honestly think that it's great, because I've seen it on cars and it's pretty good. And I think it's actually a good safety feature. So if you look right here, somewhere there, this is where the heads-up display was supposed to be, but as you can see, it's just closed and I don't have anything on there. Well, it breaks my heart because, you know, I wish this car, you know, had it. If I had to spec it from scratch, I would have put, that's like the first option I would definitely put on my car. And I bought this car used, so this is something that I've already made my peace with. So guys, that's it. That's what I had, you know, the 5 things I do not like about my car. So if you like it, please drop a comment and drop something that, you know, you don't like about your specific car, even if it's not a BMW, if it's a Toyota, a Mercedes, an Audi, you know, and Honda, anything you don't like about your car, drop it in the comment below and I will read it and I will, you know, let you know what I think about that. Now, I have a video coming up soon also that will tell you about the 5 things I actually like about my car. I love so many things, so I'm just gonna try to find 5 great things that I like about my car and I will make a video about it. So that is coming up soon. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please, this is the beginning of my channel, so please subscribe, hit that notification bell because I really like it. I have 21 subscribers right now and I'm very happy about that. And this is my 2nd week shooting, so please subscribe so that we can grow this channel together. Thank you and be safe out there.